Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter of the pollen filter on Volkswagen Golf 7. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. So in order to get to the cabin filter, first we need to open the glove box. When we open the glove box, there is two tabs on the two sides that hold the glove box in place, so we need to release them and the glove box will go down. We don't need to bring it anymore down. Now that it's down like that, we have access to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is right there, located behind this cabin filter cover. First we're going to remove the cover and we'll see where the cabin filter is. And that's where the cabin filter is. Now we're going to pull out the old cabin filter and replace it with a new one. When you put on the new cabin filter, make sure you put it with the airflow direction pointing down. Now I'm going to put the cabin filter cap back on and then close the glove box, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.